Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're about to mute Pubg Mobile's background music. Start inside the game. Open Pubg Mobile and tap the gear icon in the top right to enter settings. Once in settings, choose the audio tab so you see all sound sliders. You'll adjust music and system sounds next. Make sure you're not in a match when changing settings to avoid interruptions. Tap the music slider and drag it fully left to 0, then pause to confirm the change before proceeding to the next steps. Now remove remaining in-game music tracks and ambience. In the same audio tab, lower the sound effects and voice sliders if you want a quieter experience, but leave effects slightly above 0 if you need audio cues. For ads or lobby music, go back to Main menu and tap Settings Basic Download Clear Cache to reset temporary sounds. Once done, restart the app to apply changes. Make sure your device volume and system media sliders aren't overriding in-game settings. Check the phone's media volume next. Finalize and verify that background music is off. Re-enter a match and listen for ambience or lobby tunes. If music persists, open Settings Audio and confirm music is at 0 and background music toggles are disabled. If issues continue, log out and log back in or reinstall the app as a last resort. Make sure Cloud Synced settings aren't restoring defaults by checking Account Settings Cloud Sync. Troubleshooting tip: if music still plays, test with headphones and a different network to rule out cached audio or server-side lobby streams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.